Hello. It's a simple test live stream elaborating introduction to security. So, what is security? Security entails three aspects or modes that we had. Human defense, where we had security guards, the physical defense, we create fence, barriers, gates, and all that. Then we come to technical defense, where we use surveillance systems like video surveillance to complete it. So, with uh, defense, we have three elements of security, that is detection. We know an event is about to happen even before it happens. Then there's delay, so that we are trying to avoid the risk of an event happening. Then there's response, and that's the action we take immediately after an event occurs. So for a video surveillance system, we need um, to understand that uh, it's an important feature in the security industry in the sense that it's a system that provides information and convenience, where we focus on efficient detection, fast reaction, less labor cost, and powerful evidence uh, in the event of an incident. So for a CCTV system, we have uh, four parts. That is the capture part where we have the camera, then we have transmission, and then we need a recorder. A recorder would have storage. Then we need to display this probably on a monitor. In the event that we are doing remote management, then we can do use the management platform to manage this, like a video management system, then display everything on a large video wall, could be LCD video wall or LED video wall, with help of a video wall controller or a decoder or matrix. Then we have two types of systems. We have the analog system where uh, we use coaxial cable to transmit video image signal or audio. Then we have the HDCVI system, which is also part of the analog system. So we would have cameras, audio pickup, sensors transmitting through a coaxial cable to the recorder. Then we have for an IP system, we just have the end devices connected to a network, the same network as a decoder, or they are able to communicate with the recorder. That's it. So for system components, we have cameras, different types of cameras where we mount based on the instance, like in a corridor at the entrance, in a corner, maybe a panoramic camera if I want 360-degree view. We have high altitude monitoring with long range cameras. We have ATM where we use pinhole technology. We have PIR technology and also thermal. Then we have transmission, where we have wired and wireless. For wired transmission, we have coaxial cable, uh, which works, of course, with the BNC interface. Then we have wired transmission, where we use Ethernet cable, Cat5, Cat6, the different standards, and we terminate all with RJ45. Then we have the optical signal, where we transmit light signal. Finally, on wireless transmission, we have wide coverage, short distance, so we use just point-to-point kind of technology to transmit. Then for storage, usually we can use a recorder, we can use network storage or cloud storage. So maybe in future we'll be elaborating more on these types of storage. For display, we have LCD display, LED display, then we have digital light processing display. Then for control, we can use a matrix, we can use a decoder or a network keyboard based on the device we're using. Then based on the platform, we have the mobile app, we have maybe a video management system, and then the platform. The trend for security system, we had the traditional analog system, HD system, then a network system. Uh, then later on, we even have a comprehension system, which is a hybrid kind of system. So as we advance these types of system, we introduce improve in quality, delivery, resolution, and all that. Uh, then with the industry, we have some concepts like Internet of Things, where we are connecting multiple small components with the ability to communicate and manage. Then we have cloud, of course. Cloud entails having access to multiple devices, even in remote locations, with the ability to share, store, and manipulate information that you are managing. Then we have the concept of big data, because every day we collect information, and this information keeps growing every day. So that brings me to a simple, at the end of my simple brief introduction on security. Maybe moving forward, you're going to share more on such.